Alright, so what I got here is this measuring tape, and you know, why would you even watch a video on a measuring tape? What are you, stupid? So this is a KOMELON. It's a something with a K and a me and a lon in it. Alright, so this is a 25-foot self-locking Powerblade magnetic tip. These are clearance, Walmart, self-locking, magnetic tip. I got this for $2.50, normally $11. I just need a warning. Oh, may cause injury. Oh, maybe I'll open it up. I like injuries. Alright, so anyway, you got yourself a nice metal clip. Did I even get in there? Nice metal clip to attach to your pants if you want. These are rubberized feet, rubberized. So plastic. I mean, this feels like a real good made. Self-locking. Inches. 25 feet. Inches in different color. I don't believe this has millimeters on it, which is kind of weird. Don't some have millimeters? So I guess this sucks because it doesn't have millimeters. But I guess it's showing you these. So you're going to do like conversions. You want millimeters conversions. This feels like a sharp metal. And you let it back in slowly with this. Do I have metal? Oh. Let's see if we could reach the heater to stick to the metal. Oh, baby. Oh, you're such a hot body, baby. Hey, there you go. The metal stuck. Metal tip. Oh. Let's see if we get it to stick to the top there. There. We're stuck with the metal tip. And let's reel this puppy in. Oh yeah. I guess that's cool. I mean, I don't get really excited about measuring tapes, but maybe the metal tip, maybe the magnetic tip is a big plus for you and your pals. And there's a big grabber here. Let's see how high the ceiling is. What's a standard ceiling? 18 feet? Alright, we just hit the ceiling, buddy. Look at that. What the hell is that? 7 feet? 7 feet 9 inches? 10 inches? 8 feet? Yeah, so I guess it's an 8-foot ceiling because we're missing over here. Oh. Oh. I mean, I don't know what else to show you about this. I guess if you need one and you want something with a magnetic tip and you want one that's a self-locker that actually works, then yeah. I see the new, this is from Walmart. This is a white and black, and you're going to think it looks like the Heart brand. And the Heart brand also has a self-locker like this. But it's funny, if you go check some of them out, some of them the self-lock doesn't even work. Alright, so there it is. However you pronounce that name, I don't know. They have beautiful colors, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if this is picking that up. Alright.
We went together.
You were what?
We went on together. It was fun with my friends. Chuck, am I sitting down? Am I sitting at the table?
Kind of.
No, at a table. Like, am I eating right now?
Do you feel like you're eating?
No, Chuck. Show me. Show me.
Your shoes went flying off.
Oh, can you grab them? I don't want to hold my feet on these chipmunks.